What's up, YouTube? This Meso. I just wanted to start doing Amazon reviews. Because like all of us, we buy a lot of stuff on Amazon. I think half the country is subscribed to Amazon Prime. So we buy everything from flashlights, water filters, drills, to cameras. We all do it. So what I wanted to do was just do real reviews from real people. Nobody pays me for this. I just buy it off Amazon. So if I say the product's bull crap, it's bull crap. You know what I mean? But the one thing I wanted to review today was, because I just got this in the mail yesterday, was this Worklight flashlight. You can see here. So it's on Amazon. Link will be in the description below. Comes with two. Boop, 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 dimmer, top, off. I'll say one thing, these things are awesome. Alright, now the reason I like these, for one, under $20, they come in two. Boom. You can say that they work, they're bright, perfect. They're magnetic. Keep one in your house, put one in your car. It's perfect. You can't go wrong with that. And again, they're under $20, so that's why I like these. If anybody's ever bought a Streamlight flashlight, they do not have the focus that a Streamlight has. But I'll show you right now what these can do. These are more made for lighting the whole place up. Unlike a Streamlight stringer that you spent $200 for, they light the whole area up. They're perfect. And again, under $20. Can't go wrong. Alright, so somewhat dark situation scenario. You gotta get your engine. This does happen. The light does do the job. And like I said, it's not like a Streamlight where you can completely focus down to where you want to get to pinpoint it. But I promise you, if your windshield fluid washer runs out and you're in the dark, it's awesome. Say if your O2 sensor, you got a code, it's gonna work. If for whatever reason you gotta change your battery, you can see the entire engine with this little light that costs under 20 bucks, so it's perfect.
Yes, this light lights up the whole room. And remember, kids are afraid of the dark, so this light is helpful. So I was wondering if this would work in the rain if it was dark at night. So I want to test it out since I am curious if this is waterproof.
And I can't go wrong with that. Hold it in the sink. Let's test it.
If it breaks, it breaks.
Turn it on. Turn the light on.
Oh, I'm gonna let. Oh, this is waterproof. Picture.
No, this is a good idea though. I didn't even think of that.
Oh, salt to the core.
Let it
Yeah.
You're getting wet.
I know.
This was your idea.
Oh, I'm so cold, the water. The water is so cold. Well, the rest of the lights were too. Oh my gosh.
Keep pushing the buttons. Let's just see if the water gets inside the buttons while you push them. Keep pushing them. That's it. Damn.
I'm gonna hide.
All right, done.
Hide from the rain. Just kidding. Oh, I'm not afraid of the water.
All right, well, dude, that was a good test.
Oh, that was waterproof.
Hey, thank you, Matthew. That was a good test. I didn't think about that. That was actually an awesome idea. Thank you, Matthew. And you can see
Link in the description for my channel.
it's still wet. That was actually awesome, and it still works. I didn't even think about that. But what I want to do next, I want to see how long they last, how long they stay on for, and then after that, we're going to see how long it takes to fully charge. Okay, boom, again. Amazon Worklight, that's all we have to go with. Obviously not named. I bet it still works.
Link
though, huh?
in description
It
to
still,
buy.
it still works though. Yep, okay. Let's unplug them both and start the timer. We're gonna start them. That's bright too. Oh my goodness, oh my gosh. Over an hour. They're still going strong. Like, I still gotta hold my eyes. It's still bright as hell. But what I wanted to do, since my son brought it up, because I was curious. I wanted to, alright, none of them are plugged in. I wanted to do this after my son said this and we just sprayed them with water, but let's check it out. Let's see if they just float in water. Because I was curious after he said that. I mean, I'm not trying to ruin them, but let's do worst case scenario. Hey, these flashlights are awesome. Alright, so here we are the next day. Amazon Worklight flashlights. Now, you see them, we sprayed them with the sink hose. We submerged them for I don't even know how long. Probably about 10 minutes. I didn't time it though, but the next day they are still working perfect. So these things are great. Like I said, I definitely recommend them. Yeah, I just looked at the price too myself though. They did go up a little bit since I bought them. Mine were like 18 and some change. They went up to $22 and some change now. But still, $22 and they can take a beating like I showed you. Definitely worth it.